This is how it looks now, but I already got stuff in the mail for it. Disconnect the turn signals on each side. So the instructions say, just hook these up. I'm guessing L means low beam and this is a high beam. That's the high-low built into it, so the low beam stays on. There's actually just enough room right there to access the adjuster to move that up and down. I got these side markers too. I just need a hole right there in the middle, big enough to slide that through. Alright, it's after stage 1 weight reduction on the grill. So yeah, we'll pull the peanut bulb out. There we go. And all this goes back in there.
And then you still got those up there too? That's pretty